Hello filmmakers and content creators, welcome to CT Tutorials, and on this tutorial what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up an audio file to sound as if it's coming through headphones in our scene here. So the idea is there's regular music playing, but we want to hear it directly from the headphones, so it's not going to be a pure audio source, it's just going to sounding from the headphones. What that sounds like is this. All right, so all that is, it is playing directly through the speakers, and then it switches to where it sounds like it's playing into her headphones. So first, if you like this content, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe if you like content like this. It means a lot to me. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here into the Audio Effects tab. We're going to select right down over here, Filter and EQ, hit that little down arrow and hit Bandpass, and drag that over on top of our track. Now we want to just select the one track that we want it to, or the clip of the track that we want it to affect. We don't want to put it into our audio track mixer because that'll change the entire line. So we're going to go to our effects controls right here, and automatically right off the bat, it sounds pretty good. I mean, it's not terrible in any sense or form, but you can mess with kind of the quality here, and the higher the hertz, the more tinny it's going to sound. So just kind of mess around with the cut off of the bandpass. I'm just going to leave it right there, and automatically that sounds pretty good. So now we want to kind of put it into our scene. So the next thing what we're going to do, we're just going to type in reverb right over here. We're just going to put some studio reverb in there. We're going to hit our edit in our effects controls. Okay, and we're going to change kind of the room size. So we're on kind of a parking garage, so it's pretty big and open. We want this to be, since we're pretty close to our subject, we want this to be pretty dry, and then we're just going to have a little bit of a wet signal, so it'll sound like it's in the room. That's going to sound like this. And that's pretty much it. So this is just a real quick and dirty tutorial, something that'll get you moving and grooving if you're wanting to create the same kind of effect in Premiere. That's pretty much it. So, hey everyone, thank you for checking out this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you like this type of content. Try to do this one quick and easy for you. So yeah, I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.